Your voice sounds masculine not because it's so deep, but it's actually because it has too much chest voice. Hi, it's Jimmy, your favorite gender affirming vocal coach. Contrary to popular belief, pitch is not what makes a person sound masculine or feminine. There are many feminine speakers that speak with a low pitch, like Oprah and Rihanna. They're so sexy. What you need to do is incorporate more head voice, make your sound softer. Chest voice is loud, strong, bright. Head voice is soft, maybe a little bit higher and lighter, like a Mickey Mouse type of voice. So you want to soften your voice into something like this, a little bit more sensual. Then all you need to do is brighten up your resonance by speaking a little bit lighter and brighter. Bam, here you go. Now, if you're struggling with this, no worry, click in the link in bio and sign up for a lesson.